Friend,
Huh?
I have a math quiz coming up, but I didn't understand our lesson. Help!
Alright, but what lesson? 1-to-1 or the other one?
Yeah, do you want one function?
Oh, that's easy. See that couple right there? In 1-to-1, strictly no third parties. A person is only for an exactly one person only because there's no room for another.
I know that because in 1-to-1, every element of the range corresponds to exactly one element of the domain.
Yeah, you got it. So what else do you want to know?
How about using algebraic solution and graph? How will I know if a function is considered as 1-to-1?
In graphs, you will only need to be familiarized with the horizontal line test. In using that, a function is determined as 1-to-1 if and only if no horizontal line intersects the graph more than once. In using algebraic solution, for example, you have f of x is equal to an absolute value of x plus 5. Let x and y be real numbers such that f of x sub 1 is equal to f of x sub 2. Then, an absolute value of f of x sub 1 plus 5 is equal to x sub 2 plus 5, which implies that x sub 1 plus 5 is equal to x sub 2 plus 5, which means x sub 1 is equal to x sub 2. Now, it is a 1-to-1 function. Is it clear? Or do you still need another example?
I'm starting to get it, but I think I still need more.
My goodness, thank God I bought several examples. Here it is. For example, there's a given of f of x equals to 6 square root of x plus 1. Let x and y be real numbers such that f of x sub 1 is equal to f of x sub 2. Then, 6 square root of x sub 1 plus 1 is equal to 6 square root of x sub 2 plus 1, which implies that x sub 1 plus 1 is equal to x sub 2 plus 1, which means x sub 1 is equal to x sub 2. So, the function is considered as 1-to-1.
Oh my gosh, friend, at least now I already know. Thank you so much, but I have to go now. See you later.
Next, can I help you?
Yes, I would like to have my money changed from Medya's dollars to Medya's peso, please.
Certainly. Do you have an account number, ma'am?
Yeah, I do. It's ABC 456789210.
We're very sorry, ma'am, but we're having some problems here because our conversion machine is broken. Is it alright if we convert it manually?
Convert manually? I've never heard such a thing. How are we going to do that? Oh, I know! We can use inverse function to manually convert the money, for it is a function that reverses another function. If the function f applied to an input x gives a result of y, then applying its inverse function to g to y gives a result x and vice versa. It's alright, no problem.
Alright, so what we have 20.84x as y. First is we need to write that in the form of f of x. So it is f of x is equal to 20.84x. Second, we have to interchange x and y. We'll have x is equal to 20.84. Now, we have to solve y. As a result, we'll have y is equal to x over 20.84, and because the inverse of f is denoted by f raised to negative 1 of x, then we now have f raised to negative 1 of x is equal to x over 20.84. Okay, ma'am, we now have your conversion.
I would like my Medya's dollars 25,000 to be converted to Medya's peso, please.
Okay, ma'am. So, we now have your inverse function. What we'll do now is we'll substitute your money to the function. So, f raised to negative 1 of x is equal to x over 20.84, and your x as your money is 25,000 Medya's dollars. Then, f raised to negative 1 of 25,000 is equal to 25,000 over 20.84 is equal to 1,199.2. Therefore, here's your money, ma'am. 1,199.61 Medya's pesos.
Thank you!